Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to search with multiple keywords in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account so your emails can load properly. Once you're logged in and can see your inbox, you're ready to begin setting up your advanced search. Now, to search with multiple keywords in Outlook, you'll need to access a specific menu. Navigate to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. Look for the File tab and click on it to open the File menu. This menu gives you access to various account and mailbox settings that aren't immediately visible in your main inbox view. Once the File menu opens, direct your attention to the right side of the menu. You'll see an option called Mailbox Settings. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll notice that additional options appear below it. From this expanded list of options, locate and click on Mailbox Cleanup. This action will open a new window specifically dedicated to mailbox cleanup features. In the Mailbox Cleanup window that appears, you'll see several options for managing your mailbox. Look for a button labeled Find and click on it. This is an important step because it opens up the Advanced Search window, which is where you'll be able to use multiple keywords to refine your search and locate exactly what you're looking for among all your emails. Now that the Advanced Search window is open, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the More Choices tab. This tab is crucial because it allows you to add multiple keywords from various categories, giving you much more control over your search parameters. You'll notice fields for categories, status, attachments, importance, and tags. This is where the power of multiple keyword searching really comes into play. Go ahead and enter your keywords in each of the relevant fields based on what you're trying to find. For example, you might specify a particular category, mark items by status, filter for emails with attachments, set an importance level, or search by specific tags. Adding keywords across these different fields helps you narrow down your search significantly and find emails that match all your specified criteria rather than just one. Once you've entered all your desired keywords across the various fields, you're ready to execute your search. Click on the Find Now button at the bottom of the Advanced Search window. Outlook will now process your search using all the keywords you've specified, and your results will appear showing only the emails that match all your criteria. This makes it much easier to locate specific emails when you need to search using multiple parameters at once. And that's how you search with multiple keywords in Outlook using the advanced search features. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.